Mr. Fatemi Ghani, good morning.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to know, you are an engineer by profession and you are a trainer, you've been training pilots. So, what exactly you found in DXN and why did you choose DXN as a career?
Very interesting question. First thing is, I was enjoying my job, but there was no freedom. That was one. Number two is, I was suffering from a personal problem, health called irritable bowel syndrome from 10 years. And I tried everything from modern medicine to alternative medicine, but it didn't work out. And somebody introduced me that there is a mushroom which can help you. And alhamdulillah, within a few months of starting this particular mushroom intake, it gave me that help, the relief. And then after 2 months, I went back to Canada. There I saw a lot of people using the same product in Vancouver, Canada. So I got into it full time. I said, let's do it as a business. And 2 years, that is from September 2003 to September 2007, I started learning. Whatever I learned, I started talking to the people, and then I did it as a business. It was September 2007 that I decided that I'll quit my job. So that was another 2 years, from 2005 to 2007. And 2007, I got my freedom. I am now full-time doing DXN, teaching people how to be healthy in a natural way. That is one. And the most important thing is how to earn extra money along with your job. And that is also in a natural way. Not by selling, but by sharing about this product which are benefiting people.
Mr. Ghani, like it's been almost 4 years and you are the fastest crown diamond from Middle East. What's your secret of success?
There's not one, there are a lot of secrets into the success that I have. But one, I have put in a lot of hours. After my work, that is I used to do from 6 to 2. From evening I used to start my DXN business, and I was putting it in my mind that this is my business. And I used to work at least 6 to 8 hours per day. I learned it, the MLM part. The DXN part I learned within a year's time. But the MLM part, I joined a university called Networking University. I was a student of that university for 3.5 years. And then afterward, I joined another university, which I'm in the final year. It's called Multi-Level Marketing University, MLMU. So these two universities taught me to do the business. And then I was doing prospecting, teaching people, supporting people. So these are the things which are required. But bottom line is, I used to give one presentation every day. Not with the intention of making him or her a member or making that person a consumer, with the intention how I can help that person. So if with that thing I used to go, and alhamdulillah, 2-3 members used to come in every month, few consumers used to come in, and in a span of 4 years I became the crown diamond.
Mr. Fatemi Ghani, I believe, I know that you have qualified twice for the international trips, once to Europe and the other one to Costa Rica. How about sharing your experience of these 2 trips, international trips?
That was a dream come true. You see, I had been to Europe a number of times, but this was with a lot of positive people going to 4 different countries. That is, we went to Holland and then Belgium, then France and UK. And the best part was, you see, being with all those people who are all successful in different walks of life from different countries. And it was awesome experience. And DXN put us up in the best of the hotels. We had the best of the, fun. Coming to the second trip, which was Costa Rica in Italy, and that was a kind of a dream to go to that country. It's a very historical country with a lot of things, and we were again almost over 100 achievers from all over the world, and we had great fun. It was, you see, with money, people cannot get all this. He can or she can go with the family to a certain place, but this is with 100 vibrant, positive people. They are all successful people, and they are all, going in the same direction. So that is the best part of the TSIP that I enjoy. I made a lot of friends, of course. You see, I live in Al Ain, and it's a small town in UAE. But then you know people from Sydney, you know people from like you from Delhi, people from Africa, Ethiopia, Puerto Rico. So you got friends all over. So you make friends, you enjoy yourself. It's wonderful. It was one of the dream come true.
So Mr. Fatemi Ghani, so DXN is not only just making money or giving health, it's a lot of fun, lot of friend circle, lot of respect, lot of it's like touching people's heart. DXN is a family business. Can you just expedite on this?
DXN is a family. And I say DXN is a life. Life, why? Because the family that you have got around, not your wife, your children, but then you grow your family. Our business is reaching out to the people with their health need, with their monetary need. So this family is definitely grown in over a period of 15 years from just a couple of members in Malaysia to 4 million members worldwide in more than 100 countries products are going. Coming to my own success, 2 years that I was doing the business where I was learning and developing, growing. When my wife personally, got into the business, that is the time that my business grew exponentially. So the last 2 years, she is with me, partnering me, doing the demonstration of the product, talking to the 50% of the world population, which is women. So it is definitely the family business, and things are growing up.
So you strongly recommend that the husband, wife and the children, they should work together like one big family in DXN so that we all can work and we all can grow together. This is what you strongly recommend?
Definitely. The entire family as a unit should be working. And that is what I'm seeing most of the successful people in DXN or other MLM companies. If the husband and wife and the children are in the business, they are successful. I will very strongly recommend the husband to join wife and the wife to join husband. And if the children joins, nothing like it.
And like you were also working earlier and you quit your job after, I'm sure you must have got the confidence that this is your future. So what do you recommend? People, those who are doing jobs, those who are working under somebody, do you recommend them to leave their jobs and join DXN?
Not immediately. Like I did, I worked in my job for the first 2 years, and I decided that I will quit after getting my bonus equal to my salary.
Okay.
When that was the case, at that time also I didn't decide to quit. I wanted to have that sustained income from DXN, and that I did in another span of 4 years when I was getting double the income. So I recommend that people should not quit the job immediately. They should build up their business and get their bonus equal to their salary and get it for about 6 months. And then nothing like freedom. Let me tell you, the enjoyment or the feeling that I have, I don't have any stress right now. Honestly speaking, and this is the best thing that DXN has done to me, that it's not only the money, it's the amount of fun that I'm having. I get up in my own time, I talk to people, and it's a wonderful feeling.
Mr. Ghani, finally, one last question. What's the message for you, for the people around the world, as a DXN consumer?
Help the people. Our business is helping people, and half of the world is suffering from some problem or the other. And the product that we have, I will not say that it's the best product in the world. It is one of the best. Of course, it has helped me, my mom, my lot of friends, my sister, my own son. And people should reach out with the intention of helping people. And the product is result-based. Products are giving benefit to the people, making them healthy. So just with that message, I would say that you can reach out to the world.
One more thing, where do you see Mr. Ghani after 10 years and DXN after 10 years?
I see a exponential growth. We are right in the Middle East. We are in that growth, and all those who are involved, they will get benefit. But the You see, the product is giving so much of result. It's a result based. So if the product is good and the people behind